Right guys, so today we're going to cover protected urea. So protected urea is another straight nitrogen fertilizer like your CAN and your regular urea. It's become a very common exam question the last few years due to the course becoming more about sustainability. It reduces the amount of emissions going into the atmosphere. It's a cheaper fertilizer and is more productive for grassland and tillage farmers. So let's look through some of the benefits of protected urea there today. So it has a higher nitrogen percentage compared to CAN. So 46% of urea is nitrogen compared to 27% of CAN is nitrogen. So therefore you'd have to spread less protected urea than CAN, which is going to cut down on the amount of money you'll have to spend on fertilizer to get the same result. Reduce the amount of emissions of ammonia and nitrous oxide. So ammonia by 79% compared to urea, and reduces nitrogen oxide by 71% compared to CAN. So nitrous oxide is a highly harmful greenhouse gas. It's 300 times more polluting than CO2. So the reduction of this gas into the atmosphere is going to help with global warming and climate change. The main sort of characteristics of protected urea, that what makes the main difference between it and regular urea, is that it contains a urease inhibitor which reduces ammonia volatilization. So that's a mouthful there, but volatilization basically means that a substance that its gas gets lost to the atmosphere. Okay, so basically if we're reducing that or reducing volatilization, the nitrogen that is in our fertilizer is going into the ground rather than getting lost to the atmosphere, so increasing the efficiency of our fertilizer. Protected urea is also cheaper than CAN, so saving €25 per acre compared to using CAN, and 12% lower spreading rate, so saving 6 kilos per hectare. So we discussed that already. Due to it having a higher nitrogen composition compared to CAN, we'll need to spread less of it, and ultimately we're going to be saving money. Reduce the total greenhouse gas emissions by 51% by 20